On Saturday, a US F-16 fighter jet crashed during its training near Osan Air Base in South Korea. The pilot ejected safely and no civilians were hurt, although this is quite alarming since very recently there were several collisions in the US military force. Russia's Wagner leader blamed Russia's top defense officials for the casualties and the lack of ammunition in Bakhmut in Ukraine. He also says that he will be withdrawing his troops, but the Kremlin has not commented yet. The war is escalating quickly, and Russia's Victory Day, which was supposed to be the day that they were going to announce their victory, is coming soon, May 10th. Severe flooding and mudslides in the eastern part of the Democratic Republic of Congo have killed more than 180 people and has submerged 2 whole villages. It has also destroyed homes and infrastructure, and even in Rwanda, 130 people have died because of the same cause. Charles III was crowned King of England at Westminster Abbey on Saturday, and this was following the death of his mother, Queen Elizabeth II, last year. The central part of London was completely gridlocked with crowds of people wanting to be a part of this once-in-a-generation coronation. The Queen consort was Queen Camilla. The WHO has ended the global COVID-19 healthcare pandemic, and the virus is still present, but at a lower level of concern. Also, the Sudanese army and the RSF have been having some pre-negotiation talks amid the deadly fighting and aid blockages in Sudan. At the moment, the peace progress is limited. Mother Ocean Day is celebrated every year on May 10th to celebrate the ocean and marine life and to promote conservation of these vital resources. Did you know that up to 70% of our oxygen comes from marine plants like corals? Hi everyone, this week we are interviewing Mrs. Bhavna, who is a fantastic yoga coach with a really interesting journey. I really hope you enjoy the interview.
My name is Bhavna Sharma, and I started out as a science teacher, but gradually I switched on to become an English teacher because I was feeling little stressed. I was feeling that I was not able to juggle between home and my work, and the work was giving me a lot of stress.
Right.
So that is when I decided that I should quit and I should look after my children. I should look after my home. But after doing that, I felt that it's not very productive. So that's when I came across this yoga class, and it was just to improve my health that I joined this class. I realized that I have an inclination for yoga practice. So after a few years, then I switched on to finding out ways of how I could myself become an instructor. So I came across this institute which is called Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga. After 750 hours of learning yoga, I finally got myself certified as a yoga instructor, and that is when I started conducting my own yoga class. I can see that relaxation, I can see that feeling of happiness on my client's face at the end of the session. That is something I really enjoy about. So I would recommend children, whenever they get a chance to start the yoga practice age, they must make a sincere effort to learn and then to carry it forward throughout their life.
Thank you for watching, and help us get to 1,000 subscribers by liking, sharing, subscribing, and commenting below. Thank you, and stay tuned for next week.